welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to do this very elegant chignon style bun. Very glamorous. So let's get started. First of all, I sprayed her hair with water and did a side parting on the left hand side of her head. I then took the comb from that parting line all the way down to her ear, and I sectioned off the front part of her hair on the right hand side, and then I did the same on the left hand side of her head, just from going to the end of the parting and all the way down to her ear. Just clipping those bits out of the way, ready to use them later. Next, I'm going to comb her hair into a low ponytail. When I put the bobble onto her hair, to stop it from getting any lumps and bumps, I'm keeping my hand on that hair and twisting the bobble to do 2 loops before I start swapping my hands backwards and forwards, just to help keep it neat. Next I'm going to take 2 bobby pins and I'm going to slide them onto the big bobble that I've got there. So I'm going to have them on either side, left and right. And I'm going to use that to secure the hair to make it go up. So I'm going to get the ponytail, I'm going to pull it up over her head and then slide those bobby pins in about 1.5 inches above the bobble, pull it over and then put the bobby pin on the other side of that ponytail to secure it in that position so it's going upwards. And then when the hair falls back over, it makes that lovely, it falls really nicely. To keep the body inside that ponytail though, I'm going to make myself a chignon bun using a donut. I'm going to take a donut and 2 big bobbles and squash it into this shape. There we go. And then I'm going to secure that to the ponytail with a couple of bobby pins. Use as many as you need to make it nice and secure. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to comb the ponytail, make it nice and smooth. I'm going to run my hand over the chignon and take a small elastic, and then where the hair meets at the bottom of that chignon bun, I'm going to use a small elastic to tie it all together to keep the shape of the hair going around it nice and neatly. I'm then going to use another small elastic and just tie off the bottom of her ponytail, and then I'm going to roll it up itself and then secure it at the bottom of that chignon bun by tucking it in and then pinning it out of the way with a bobby pin again. So using that section of hair that we saved earlier, I'm just going to comb it in the direction that I want the hair to sit. I want the hair to sit and wrap around this chignon bun. I'm going to pin it at the top of that bun and then leave those tails, because in a moment I'm going to cover them with the next piece of hair. So on the right hand side, I'm going to just bobby pin the hair down because I want that hair to sit downwards. And then using the hair from the side of her face, I want that part of the hair to cross over the first part of the hair. So just by using that bobby pin there, it just keeps that nice swoop effect. Then I'm going to go around the chignon bun and pin that all into place. And I'll be able to hide the piece of hair that we had hanging out earlier as well. So once you've got all those little pieces of hair tucked in and hidden, you can then just bring the hair on the chignon around and just pin that in and really keep it nice and neat. And that's really how easy it is to do a chignon bun. It's so pretty and elegant. And that's it, you're finished. So we hope you like that tutorial. It's really quite a special look. It's not every day, it's not one that we'd wear for school, but maybe if she was going to be a bridesmaid or if she was going to a special occasion, that's something that's really nice. But it's ever so easy to make a chignon bun just with a regular donut. Just use that little trick with using the elastic bands and then you get the chignon bun effect and the shape without having to do all the back combing of the hair. So if you like that tutorial, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, leave in the comments anything you want us to do next time and we'll try and do that for you. Okay, so until then, stay safe, take care, bye.